Poor sleep can seriously affect your quality of life, health, and stress levels. Your mattress can be a major contributing factor on whether you function at a higher frequency or spiral into depression, sickness, and isolation. Hi, my name is Colin Crump, owner and designer at Sleep Boutique, a premier mattress factory and showroom in Calgary, where we bring luxury, comfort, and a personal sleep experience at a price you won't believe. I'd like to show you our factory and showroom and the options to build your perfect bed, and the fact that our beds can be maintained for a lifetime. Yes, you heard me correct. Our beds can be maintained for a lifetime. First, let's go to the back and have a look in the factory. Our factory is 8,300 square feet. We fully stock our 20-foot high shelves with all the materials that are necessary. Since it is a personal bedding experience, every bed that we build will be made to your correct specifications. We start with the support layers that include either pocket coils, high-density foams, or latex. Next can come the core layers by using cotton padding and protective layers. Above that is the toppers, which can be 2 layers of 2-inch natural Dunlop or Tally latex, high-density foam, or memory foam. And finally, the cover layer, where you'll have 3 options to choose from: the plush quilted, the wool quilted, and the GOTS cotton quilted to wool. Now let's go have a look at the showroom. The bright 3,000 square foot showroom allows you to view our various mattress lines in different sizes and build specifications. You'll be able to feel the difference our mattresses have to support your sleep experience. Our mattress sizes range from twin all the way to the giant Alaskan king size. And here's the best feature of our mattresses. Every person sleeps differently and distributes their weight in different areas of the mattress. When you buy a one-size-fits-all mattress and the integrity of it begins to deteriorate, what are you going to do? Traditionally, you need to purchase a whole new mattress costing you hundreds to thousands of dollars. Not to mention that you need to move it out before you can bring in the new mattress, which can be difficult on its own. Not with a mattress from Sleep Boutique. All you need to do is purchase a replacement component. Just unzip our mattresses and you can replace your topper, your shoulder, lumbar support, or leg component. That's it. It's super easy, you'll save yourself some money, and you'll sleep better at night. If you're looking for the best sleep experience you'll ever have at a value you won't find anywhere else, I invite you to our showroom, located at Suite 160, 5423 61st Avenue Southeast, where you'll find the quality and comfort you deserve. Or visit our website at sleepboutique.ca. Sleep Boutique, your perfect sleep